Now let's talk about solving some exponential equations that get a little bit more complicated. Use the one-to-one property as much as possible, and in this case here, if I'm looking at A, if I have e to the negative x squared equals e to the negative 3x minus 4, well, if the bases are the same, then I can set negative x squared equal to negative 3x minus 4. Now it looks almost like a quadratic equation, so I'm going to add x squared to both sides, and when I do that, I get 0 equals x squared minus 3x minus 4. Solve it, and it's just a quadratic equation. If I factor it, I get x minus 4 and x plus 1 equals 0. And so I end up with x equals 4 and x equals negative 1. Now, since our domain is for exponential equations is all real numbers, then I don't have to worry about whether I have an x that makes sense or not. For b, before you start messing with exponents or logs or anything like that, what I need to do is I need to evaluate or get rid of this 3 that's in the front. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I get 2 to the x equals 14. Now, me personally, you're going to see if you look in the book's probably going to say, well, do log base 2 of both sides, and that's fine. But if I don't have a log base 2, then what I'm going to do is just take a log of both sides. I'm just going to do natural log because not as much to write again. But when I do that, this x can now go out to the front. And when I do that, I get x times natural log of 2 equals natural log of 14. Divide both sides by natural log of 2, and I get x is approximately 3.807. All right, let's talk about a letter. First letter. Have fun.